This is my camper for the first time ever, ladies and gentlemen. Bedroom. Kitchen. Dinette table. Couch. Bathroom. And 2 bunks. Of this one. And then here later we might be going to the fort to film for a YouTube video. So go ahead. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to be going to Fort Boonesborough, Daniel Boone's fort. It's so beautiful out here today. The weather is just so nice.
You're still going.
Huh?
We can go in there.
Daniel Boone walked on the ground.
Yeah. Old Daniel Boone around here, folks.
Yeah. Yeah, I will when he calls. Yeah, that's fine.
Kentucky River here, folks.
Okay. All right. Yep. Bye. There it is.
We gotta back up. The old Daniel Boone Beach here, ladies and gentlemen. There's the old dam. Whew. It's hot.
Here.
We're getting closer. What's that? Show them.
Cold.
There's old coal, ladies and gentlemen. Where were you used to swim at, Funk?
Right here in this water. They don't do it no more.
Look at that damn fish.
Cold.
The old house for the damn folks. We can walk up there if you want to.
It's too much working. Too much walking for me.
Alright.
That 15 pounds.
I sat here for 25 minutes with a Walmart bag over my head so it wouldn't dry out, you know. I just sat here, and then after I got done, went in there and took a shower and washed it out. Hey, one of your things fell.
Sarah. Sarah.
Would you quit? Oh, well, just give me like $30 because I slowed.
Will. No, Mo, it will right there, ladies and gentlemen. Will.
Where's my chairs at, April? Did you bring my chairs?
I brought them back to your house, so no.
Oh, no. I'm getting that one. Where's it at?
Or Benton's at, or what's this shit? Or one of these.
Yeah, take it over there. Where do you want to put it?
My
I
tower?
guess I'll put that as well. No, I'll put it. I don't know. Touch dogs. Wonder which way that one's going.
What are you drinking there?
Water.
Water. What's Chef Steven cooking?
One. Hold up.
What's Chef Steven cooking?
I want to be on your video.
Tomato
Go ahead, I don't care. It's for our YouTube channel. It's for our YouTube channel.
And that,
I had another
4
shirt I was
years,
gonna put
we've
on.
accumulated $1 million worth of
Hold up,
inventory.
buddy, when you got the mail.
Excellent sounds indeed.
Yeah, it's just painful.
So at any given time, I'm thinking,
What are you doing? Sometime in the morning there's supposed to be a severe storm.
Yeah, it's good at insured.
Is there a break up there?
Well, there's all different.
Yep. Yeah, you pay for like school schools, like
Oh,
tuition, yep. You pay for all that out of your taxes. Yep. I know that, but we live in Fayette County, so you pay
Snooze you later.
His daughter and I were friends. We did
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Hello, Dylan.
Sheila,
How are you?
good.
What are you doing, Dylan? Filming? For YouTube?
Hey, Dylan.
How are you?
I was doing good, but then I got better.
Did Brandon get Jeannie a plate?
Is there any more burgers or only a couple more?
Is that right, Steven? Steven agrees. Huh?
Will she eat baked beans?
Yep.
How you doing? She'll eat baked beans? Yeah.
I put a bowl of people pickles sometimes and eat them.
That pickle juice is really good for you.
Sarah.
What?
guarantee you, I ran a football field for boy block. And that's for tea. Man, I love it.
Did anybody get Jeannie any breakfast this week?
Not her plate.
What up, DJ?
DJ Jazzy Trolley. Look at that. Look at that. It's perfect.
I'll bring it right back. Okay. I said I'm gonna borrow one here. I'll bring it right back. When you bring it back. Dylan must be a photographer.
Me too. They're not what?
The candles won't stay lit.
It's just barely moving, little wind.
Connor, come on.
Get him from the dollar store?
Actually, I did. Well, get your plate. Get your plate.
Did you cook breakfast?
Excuse me.
This one, a big breakfast?
Oh, yeah.
What you have?
Bacon, eggs, sausage, biscuits.
Well, gravy.
No, we have some Joe stuff. Happy birthday.
I like country ham in pieces. Make gravy and put that in there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Stop.
Don't throw this.
Happy birthday. Stop.
Not right over by the food. You lost your like go that way. Just go that way so they can say what it's. Go over there so they can do it. 14 of them. Not for the cat. Don't worry, he's slow.
I heard that one.
Come on, Mackenzie.
That didn't sound good. Now I guess he's a water
We only
boy.
got 6 out of the whole point.
Welcome to 14.
That's reminded.
Chocolate or vanilla?
Maybe you're sweating an awful lot.
14. What, vanilla or chocolate? Well, we had like 16, but we only had 6. And they all followed me in my freshman year in high school. And now I'm used to be a freshman.
This is the best way to eat a cupcake.
Old people like it.
No, they do. They like it.
Best way to eat a cupcake.
Thank you.
Oh, that feels good and cool. Don't lose it.
Dylan, how would I find your view over?
What are you
It'll
checking
be on
out?
there tomorrow.
Okay.
What are you checking out?
His YouTube page, he's got a lot of videos on there, especially from cruise they took.
How much did you get? 20 or 80 or 100?
500.
100?
Stop!
No wonder you work 7 days a week.
It's a Steven spider. It's fine.
I don't think it was fun.
How much did you get lately?
Huh?
How much you get from April? I mean from Sheila. What?
We're waiting on you to get her one.
Clayton. Clayton.
Some boy thinks he had money, pays after her for her money. It's a beautiful look.
Tina drinking coffee over there.
Pretty good.
I missed it here.
Bro, where'd they go?
They're not getting you each.
You don't know that? Dad, stop! Better.
How about it, Dylan? How about now?
Easy.
Just filming.
YouTube.
Just filming.
YouTube.
They might be separated and come over. You get your car.
Dylan? Quit filming! Mom, Dylan is filming.
Have you opened mine yet? He's still opening cards?
He's confused because he's curious because Brandon, Will, and Mackenzie are all just here all of a sudden. So he knows something about to happen to him, especially Brandon.
Quit filming!
You should not have ate that blue ice, Carly.
Why?
You're blue all the way around. Even in the corner.
I told him how we could bring whatever they want to spend. What?
You got worse to
It's been a rough 3 weeks here. Evidently, it kicked COVID back in. Got over it. So I don't know if it's been at least Thank you. Just get that.
And it just costs us $2. You're welcome.
Dylan.
Flavored water, that's all it is. For $2. Well, you can buy a box of them flavored water. I'll tell you. That is appropriate. You didn't this past year. You didn't this past year. We ain't done nothing for you this past year.
You just took me on a cruise.
Oh, April, I'll be on the lookout to find a trip for next week. Yeah. That's hard to find. Yeah, I should have. I really should have.
Stack them up and waiting for everybody's birthday.
Well, that's nothing. They got nothing to do with it.
It's not as sweet. They get sweet, you get two for $1. I think it's probably $1 each now.
Next time you go to Walmart, just 3 or 4 dollars to make $75, $16.
Behind you.
Yeah, scrape the ice.
What? Look right behind you. Look. Where is it? Mackenzie and all them go.
Huh?
You know?
Mm-mm.
The best cupcakes in this world is my sister-in-law. Hers are so fluffy and moist and perfect. Perfect.
Whew.
Open the shower door to get out.
My bathroom is really just about having a clean.
Same.
Mine's fine about mine. I don't really care for the bathhouses because then you gotta wear your flip flops and you gotta take all your crap and then you got all your weight and you gotta walk back.
I don't even have to take a bath.
I No.
Probably. I believe it.
What was the weirdest way to ever eat a biscuit?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Huh?
Wife.
Hey, DJ Dillon, the commander, CEO number 2. I'm CEO number 1.
Like seriously.